My family is really starting to piss me off. Today they won't let me have an ice cream. It won't let me go to swimming pool without me. Really. And the family, I would rather stay away from them. My family is really starting to piss me off. Today they won't let me go into the goddamn swimming pool. It won't let me go to trampoline. Swimming pool without me. Really. I swear to God, you know what? I'll stay away from them. My family is really starting to piss me off. Today they won't let me borrow a stupid charger and go to swimming pool without me. A swimming pool without me. Really. I'm gonna end up leaving them alone. My family's really starting to piss me off. Today they're gonna bother me, bugging me, and they won't let me go to swimming pool. They won't let me go to trampoline. A swimming pool without me. Really? I'm gonna end up beating out of them. I swear, I can't take my families anymore. I hate it. I don't like it. I just